To the right of the button shortcode is the tab shortcode. The tab shortcode has 4 states, each with fade and slide options as shown here. Let's start from the top. These are called top tabs, fade, and slide. The next group are called left tabs, fade, and slide. And the last set are called simple tabs, fade, and slide. There's also an images tab, which we will get to in a few minutes. Now, let's create these tabs from scratch. Click on the tab icon within the post editor. The slider type field shows top tabs, which is the default. Next is the effect field, which defaults to fade. We're going to leave both of those at their defaults. The auto and auto speed can be left at the defaults. However, if you wanted your slides to fade or slide automatically, which would be perfect for a slideshow, this is where you would set the options. The higher the number, the faster the transition. In the tab text field, type test01. In the content box, I will use filler text that I have prepared. If you look below the content box, you'll see a link called Add One More Tab. We're going to click that twice to give us a total of 3 tabs. Now, all we need to do is fill in the remaining 2 content boxes, which I will use filler text. When we're finished, click OK. Using the Preview Changes button on the top of the screen, we will see the newly created tab navigation. Now let's close this window, go back to our example. Click on the tab icon again, but this time change the fade to slide. Everything else can remain at the default. Repeat the steps from our previous example and click OK. Using the preview button, we now have 2 tab navigation systems with a fade and a slide effect. For the purposes of time, I am going to skip the left tab and the simple tab options as they are created in the same way as the top tabs. Now, let's clear the